most common questions that I am asked is, does God really love me? Like, how do I know God loves me? And there's a passage in the book of Ephesians. Paul writes in chapter 3, he says, I pray that out of his glorious riches, he may strengthen you with power through his Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. And I pray that you, being rooted and established in love, may have power, together with all the Lord's people, to grasp how wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ, and to know this love that surpasses knowledge, that you may be filled to the measure of all the fullness of God. What I think is so interesting about that is not just the idea that we can be filled to all the measure of the fullness of God, because I don't know how full God is, but that's a lot. And he says we can be filled that full. And before that, he said that he loves us with a love that is so high and wide and long and deep that we will never understand it. And I don't know how high and wide and long and deep that is, but it's high and it's long and it's wide and it's deep. But what I find most fascinating is the first part, where he says, I pray that you may be strengthened, that you may be able to grasp with all God's people. Because the truth is, God's love is all around us. But if we don't have the internal strength to hold on to it, it's meaningless to us. It reminds me of the story they tell down at Feed My Starving Children when we go and pack food. They often will say the reason they have to give this rather bland rice dish to the children is that their bodies are not strong enough to handle rich food. They have been so malnourished for so long that they don't have the strength to digest rich food. So they are given this rice dish with soybeans and dried vegetables, which isn't really that great, but they eat it, and little by little they grow strong to the point where they can eventually eat real food. And in the same way, we have to grow in the inner man to be able to embrace God's love. So my prayer for you is just like Paul prayed, that you are strengthened by faith in the inner man, so that you may be able to, as all the saints should, grasp how high and wide and long and deep is the love of God, and that you may be filled to all the measure of the fullness of God, because that is his will for you. He loves you that much. God bless you.